How can material engineering help regain hand mobility? Hi, I'm Gregorio and my research focuses on smart materials. Imagine materials that can change shape and stiffness with the temperature. They are smart and powerful, and we use them in our lab to develop innovative applications, such as morphing structure that could be used in the aerospace industry. I love engineering and developing industrial solutions, and I wish to help people. One day, while volunteering at a popular kitchen, someone asked me, "Why not use your skill to help?" The perfect opportunity came when we met the doctor of the Montecatone Clinic. They needed a glove device to help patients with quadriplegia move their hands and perform daily activities such as grasping a glass and drinking. With the aid of colleagues and students, we are developing a system composed of a motor, a transmission system, a soft rigid glove, and an EMG sensor. We created and tested prototypes with the help of the clinic. At the heart of our design lies the Boden cable, a transmission system used, for example, to braking bicycle. Instead of using steel cable, we use shape memory alloy wires. We found this solution has a higher efficiency and a softer actuation, similar to human tendons. It can also self-limit the force with no additional component and can be used as a force sensor. Our team has different backgrounds, but we are all passionate about helping those who are in need. I hope that the removable project can not only make a difference for quadriplegic patients, but can also inspire others to use their skill to help people.